presents a giant inflatable water bounce house. It comes with a really big blower, everything you need to have fun. So let's get this all set up and have a great time. Once you set it out and turn the blower on, it pops up pretty instantly, and then you can set it up the way you want to and stake it down. One super cool thing about setting this up is that there's numbers here and numbers there. So it made it really easy to get this all set up. And with 2 people, you can do this in probably about 10 minutes flat. While you're getting the water part set up, the kids are still having a blast with it while it's without water. So you don't even need the water to have fun with this. I'd say the most challenging part of the setup is actually lifting the box up, because the box was really heavy. But once you do that, it's been really easy getting this all configured and ready to go. Also comes with a nice size storage bag for when you're all done. This is fun whether you have the sprinklers on or off. I love that there's 2 different slides. The slides also felt incredibly safe, and my kids had a blast on it. You can have 3 to 5 kids on this. Plus there's a soccer net, there's an area where you can do boxing, there's that jumpy area, there's the climbing wall. Everything about this is amazing, and I love the colors.
End of the day, we're gonna tear it down. One of the great things about this, it does fill up with water, but it has a built-in drain into it. So you just open that up to be able to allow the water to come out. The other side is when you deflate it, it will collapse one of the sides and just let all the water out. So just be aware of where you're gonna let the water run to. But we're ready to do that. You'll pull the water sprinkler system off of it as well, and then let it dry and pack it up. It's that easy. We're gonna go through the process right now.
Once you've drained all the water, you actually wanna then blow it up again and let it start air drying, and then we'll take a towel to it and get all the rest of the water out so that we can pack it up and not have it be wet at all. And this has been so much fun. Your kids are going to absolutely love it.